counting. So you try and do something like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And once you can get the threes comfortably, then go down to 2. So 1, 2, open it, 1, 2, underhand butterfly, 1, 2, open it, 1, 2, overhand butterfly, 1, 2, and go both ways. Underhand butterfly here, left turn here, overhand butterfly here. And then once you get that, you can go to singles, right? So you would do 1, 1, 1, 1, then left turn 1, 1, 1. Now right turn 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And then the next thing to do after that is traversing. So here's what I mean by traversing turn. If I'm going to take my right hand out first, I would go like this. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Back to the right. 2, 3, 4 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. First of all, you have to be able to, the prerequisite for this is, you have to be able to do the butterfly turnaround where you can go 1 beat, 1 beat, 1 beat, 1 beat. You might not be there yet, so you might have to work up to that. And because I'm going both ways, you have to be able to do that both directions, both the left turn like that and the right turn like this. Now, the footwork is like this for the right turn. I start here, then I take my right hand out, okay, then I'm gonna step that way. And as I step that way, I bring the 2-poi into underhand butterfly. Then as I take my right hand out behind me like that, I'm going to step backward and bring it into overhand butterfly. Then I go back the other way. My left hand comes out, and then I'm going to step to my left as my right poi comes into underhand butterfly. Then I'll step left back, and then back to overhand butterfly. So if you looked at just the feet, it would be this, then this. So you're here, turn to the right, facing on your right leg, you pivot on the right leg to the outside to face the back wall, then you pivot on the left leg, back around to the front, then you're gonna pivot on your left leg to the back wall, and then you pivot on your right leg to the front. So right leg to the back, left leg to the front, left leg to the back, right leg to the front. You can build up to this until you have the 1 count butterfly, and here's how we'll do it. Let's say you're on your left side and you're moving toward your door, okay? So get as far left as you can. You're like this, you're facing this way. You're gonna take your right one behind you and turn toward your right, which in your case is your door. Now, you're gonna turn toward your kitchen, so you turn to your right again, and as you do, flip your body around so you're facing away from me in the underhand butterfly. Then you're going to take your right hand behind, pivoting on your left foot, and move your right leg so that you're with your left hand underhand behind you, your right hand in front of you, and you're facing me. And then you flip your left hand into the overhand butterfly. Now to go back the other way, the left comes out, then you're going to pivot on your left leg, turn away from me into underhand butterfly. Now, you're going to take your left one out again, and then 180 degrees on your right leg into overhand butterfly facing me. Now you're back at the start. Okay, so here we go again. We're going to take the right one out first, returning to the right. Then we're going to pivot on this leg, your right leg, and you're going to turn away from me into the underhand butterfly. Yes, now we're going to pivot on now you're going to turn to your right again. So now you're facing where you just started briefly. You're going to pivot on your left leg, your back leg, and you're going to turn to overhand butterfly, flipping the left hand in. You turn 90 degrees, and then you pivot on your front leg. Then you face away from where you started. Then you turn 90 degrees and you pivot on your back leg. Then you turn 90 degrees, pivot on your front leg, turn 90 degrees, pivot on your back leg. So you pivot on your front leg, you pivot on your back leg. You pivot on your front leg, you pivot on your back leg. Pivot on your front leg, pivot on your back leg, pivot on your front leg, pivot on your back leg.